Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to watch Champions League in USA. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So Champions League is going to be broadcasted exclusively by Paramount Plus on USA. So for this, all you need to do is simply type in the URL www.paramountplus.com in any of the web browser of your preference. Once you do this, you will end up in the official website of Paramount Plus. So simply get signed in into your account, or if you don't have an account, you need to simply create an account and you can simply start streaming or watching Champions League on your Paramount Plus account. So Paramount Plus Global Televisions has the exclusive rights to broadcast the 2024-2027 in USA. So this is the only legal channel or digital method to stream Champions League at USA. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching, and we will be back really soon.